Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am sharing with you the Scrapdiva Design Party Hat Mini Album. I think this is such a fun die. I was thinking that for especially my grandchildren, for your children and your grandchildren, you could actually put, like, if they turn 2, you could put 2 on the front, or 3, no matter what age it was, and then put their pictures inside this and have a little memory album of their birthday party. This is such a cute idea, and it makes a really great mini album. So let me go ahead and share with you what you get in this die set. So you get the backing piece that has the 3 holes in it to put your rings or to tie it whatever way you want to bind your mini album. And then you have this second piece, which you can cut out of designer paper to glue on top of the mini album piece. Then you get this one that decorates the hat, and it cuts little holes. And then you get this little piece that decorates the ruffled edge right here. And then you get this little piece right here that decorates the pom-pom. And then this right here, this is to make a face. Because see, you have the little smile and the eyes and the cheeks. So you can make a little face on your mini album. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this piece, which is actually 6 dies altogether in this set. So let me put that aside. I used the fringed balloons. I believe that's what it's called, fringed birthday balloons, because you have to have birthday balloons with your party hat. And then of course the party words were made to go with this, with happy birthday, make a wish, party, in 2 different fonts, and you get celebrate, and there's another one, happy day, and that's it. So I went over this one before, but you get quite a few words with this set, and I love the words in that. And then I used an oldie but goodie, which was the scalloped edge tags for my mini album. So let me go ahead and pull this into view, and I will leave links to all those dies in the description box to make it easy for you to shop should you care to do so. So here is my little mini album, and you see I put the word happy birthday. Of course, the flowers on here are Scrapdiva Designs. This is the frilly, yeah, it's called frilly, let me see, I have it over here. Frilly rose flower plate, and this is the rose petal flowers. And I just put some ruffly trim on the bottom of my hat, and I put these little roses that I had in my stash. And here are the fringed balloons. I did use the 3 sizes, and I did cut my fringe so I had 3 layers on top of the balloon because I like the way that looks. And then here is the top portion that you get to decorate, and I did cut it on foam, and I put a little pom-pom on the top. And then this part that cuts the holes, I did cut foam because I wanted dimension, and I put some gold design paper on top of the foam. So that's my cover, and we're going to look at the inside of my mini album. This is a place to put a picture, and all the little dies that you see here, they're all from my stash, and they're all cottage cuts. So here is the word party from the party words. Then we got this side, and I have a couple tags in here that you could put pictures on and write on the back. It could be put a little picture here, and on the back you could say Emma, which is my granddaughter's name, opening Papa and Gigi's gift, something like that, to create a memory. And then we have this page right here. And this is the party word that says hooray. And this is from my stash. It's a little envelope that opens up. And since I'm having trouble with my nails, I'm not going to open it up, but it has 2 little cards in there that you could put pictures on and journal on the back. On this side, we have a place for a picture with this cute little chick. And over here, we got another place for a picture. Here's the party word celebrate. And then over here, I have a little pocket that holds some more tags. And yeah, here we go. Hold some more tags to put pictures and then journal on the back like I just told you. You could put a picture of your grandson blowing out the birthday candles, something like that, because we have candles on this page. And then we'll go to the next one. Here I have another little pocket, and I put a little envelope with a, yeah, I can't get it out now. My nails aren't cooperating. All right, and then this one right here, we have some little party hats on the party hat, and it says make a wish. So this is a really cute mini album to have. Like I said, you could do one every year for your child or your grandchild and put the, you know, the age that they turned. I do want to show you the paper I used because I know somebody's going to ask me. And it is, I had it here. It's a first edition paper, and it is a birthday theme, and it came from Joann's. And I'll show you the cover. My cover fell off. It's called Let's Celebrate. So this is the paper I used for this. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this project share. And if you decide to purchase this die, please use Carol 10 at checkout. I would appreciate it. Until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And happy crafting. Bye-bye.